guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Marie Bumhauer. So today, wala muna tayong video tutorial. May gusto kasi akong i-share sa inyo guys about what happened yesterday. So yesterday was Sunday. So usually pag Sunday, ayan, pumupunta talaga kami sa church. And then after church, the kids wanted to go to the mini park sa labas ng church, which is part siya nung church. So sa labas ng church, meron dun pinaka mini park kung saan naglalaro yung mga bata pagkatapos ng service. So we took the kids there and the kids are having a good time. They're just enjoying playing basketball and running around with kids. And it was so fun. Yesterday was so much fun. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata and I was filming at the same time kasi gusto ko talaga makunan yung mga moments na nag-enjoy talaga silang naglalaro. So I was filming every angle. Si Jenna tumatakbo, ganyan, si baby. They're all having a good time playing at the park. So what happened is, pagkalipas ng mga ilang minuto, it was a mixed emotion. It was scary, I was shocked. Was kind of like traumatizing to me, for us, for my husband, for my kids. So what happened is, habang naglalaro sila ng basketball, bigla na lang parang yung basketball court, bigla na lang siyang natumba. So it was crashing down to my little guy. And when I saw that, I was so shocked. Talagang takot ako na feeling ko talaga wala na feeling ko hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari, kung mabubuhay pa ba siya or magsusurvive ba siya. Talagang nag-blank talaga yung isip ko kasi nag-e-enjoy ako na mag-film sa kanila tapos biglang nangyari yun. Na-shock ako. I was actually filming and nakita ko talaga, nakuhanan ko yung actual na nangyari. Medyo naputol lang kasi nakita ko na pabagsak na yung basketball court kay baby. Talagang I stopped filming. Hininto ko na natakot na ako, nervous ako, napasigaw ako, tapos dire-diretso ako, tumakbo ako sa kanya. Talagang I just wanna know if he's okay. Gusto kong malaman kung ano yung kalagayan niya kasi feeling ko nasaktan talaga siya ng sobra. Okay, so this is the video clip that I took yesterday and I wanna show you guys what happened. Let me know what you think and how you feel after na mapanood niyo yung video clip na ito. He's gonna climb up. He's climbing up. Oh! Keep trying, boy. He's not giving up his shoot up.
Let's get low.
So ayun, yun guys, yung nangyari talagang nakakatakot talaga. Takot ako. Tapos ang tagal bago mawala yung takot ko, yung kaba, lahat nandun na halo-halo na mixed emotion. And then at the same time, I'm so thankful. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na God watched over my little guy and He saved him. And it was a blessings na, ayan, nandyan pa siya, na we still have a chance to give him more love, more hugs and kisses every single day. So isa yan sa mga pinagpapasalamat ko kay Lord yesterday until now na talagang hindi ko makakalimutan. Isa sa mga experience ko na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yan. It was traumatizing, it was so scary, shocky, lahat na. But then at the same time, yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, very, very thankful ako and I was so blessed. I was so happy na hindi malala yung nangyari sa kanya. So kaya ayan, pagkatapos ng church, nag-play na siya, okay naman siya. Ayan. How are you, baby? Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Did you have fun today, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like playing basketball?
Yeah.
Are you scared to play basketball?
Yeah.
You scared now?
Yeah. But you're not looking.
You're not looking?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you get hurt? Huh?
It's hitting the brain.
Your foot? Yeah. Pakita ko dito yung video niya pagkatapos namin umuwi ng bahay. Parang ang saya-saya niya lang, parang walang nangyari. So, kasi nga inosente pa siya, pero I think na na-shock din siya kasi he was crying for a while. Matagal siya bago huminto sa pag-iyak-iyak. So, ayan, dito sa bahay, naglalaro-laro na si baby. Masaya naman siya. And I think wala namang na-damage sa kanyang paa. Kasi actually, natabunan yung paa niya nung ring. Yung ring, ito yung paa niya. Ito yung paa niya. Tapos yung ring, parang nakaganito siya, oh. Parang nakapatong ng ganyan. Doon sa shoes niya. Yung ring lang, ha. Talagang malapit na talaga, guys. Feeling ko nga talaga natabunan na siya kasi hindi ako tumingin, hindi ko kayang tingnan dahil nagfi-film nga ako, 'di ba? Nung makita ko na pataob na, and I don't have that time para tumakbo and i-save siya, ganun. Hindi ko, kasi napakalayo ko, kumbaga in just a few seconds ang bilis ng bagsak talaga. So, hindi ko kakayanin, kaya ipinikit ko na lang yung mata ko. Sa totoo lang, pumikit na lang ako, and then saka ko na inopen nung narinig ko na yung ingay na bumagsak na talaga. Saka na ako tumingin kung okay pa ba siya or what. Doon lang ako dumilat. Eh, nakita ko naman siya gumagalaw pa, kaya tumakbo na ako. Nakakatakot talaga, guys. So, ayun, medyo na ano yung kanyang paa, pero okay naman. He's good, and that's a blessing. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay Lord dahil inalagaan niya at binantayan ng angel ang aking, little guy. Isa sa mga precious treasure ko. So, ayun, gusto ko lang i-share yan sa inyo, guys, and then lesson learned na rin na, alam mo yun, we have to treasure yung mga moments na kasama natin yung ating mga anak and watch them all the time kasi we don't know what's gonna happen next. Especially yung mga kids na nasa ganyang age, mga toddlers, talagang they need a lot of supervision and alagain talaga sila kasi kung saan sumusuot. So ayan, yung kahapon talaga, after that na nangyari nung kahapon na accident, talagang hindi na sila mawawala sa aking paningin. So ayun, guys, so I hope na nag-enjoy kayo, although na hindi naman talaga ka-enjoy ang video na ito, but still I hope na meron tayong mga pwedeng makuha na lesson at matutunan na aral dito sa video clip na ito na i-share ko sa inyo. Kaya ko sinishare sa inyo dahil gusto ko rin malaman nyo na we have to thank God each and every day for His blessings and for the wonderful moments, wonderful time that we share together with our friends, family, ganyan. Dapat lagi tayo nagpapasalamat kasi we don't know what's gonna happen next. So yun, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!